Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Welcome everybody. Today I'm doing the fourth painting of the series of my series where I've just used 4 colors. I used either white for the base or black for the base, and then I used Artminds metallic umber, and then also Decoart's 24 karat gold. And I just kind of switched them up a little bit. I tried to do, if you've seen the last video, where I kind of was first thinking of doing like the umber on the base and then a gold on the base, and kind of just switching all 4 of them up that way. But that umber on the base was not pretty at all. I don't know what, it just wasn't, so I scraped it, and so I just decided to do black on the base and then do it at an angle rather than do it straight across. So this time I'm going to do white on my base, and we'll do it at an angle with the same colors. So I'm using Artist Lofts Flow Acrylic White for my base. Can't even think. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and some of them have a little bit of water in them. It just depends on how thick the paint is. So I'm going to just go ahead and get this around here really quickly. Get my white spread out, and then we'll do the colors. But I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope, if you haven't yet checked out the other 3, please do. They all turned out beautifully. They're gonna be beautiful like all together as the set of 4. Even though I didn't get to quite do it exactly how I was thinking of doing it in the beginning, but they still all turned out really pretty. And I'll put them at the end of this video. I'll show a picture of all 4 of them together. I'm just getting my air bubbles here. This has been a fun series to do. I've really enjoying doing it. So if you guys have any ideas for a different series to do, I've been thinking about doing like a rainbow series, or I don't know, maybe a set of colors and then changing up the technique for the series. If you have any thoughts, let me know what you think would be fun to see. But it's been really fun to do. Alright, and then that was the 24 karat gold. Here's the umber, which this is not a color that I would normally use, so this has been kind of different for me. That umber, I'm not, of course I always have the gold. Well, I've been trying to get away from that as much as I normally do, but I still use it because I just love the cells that I get from the 24 karat gold, and all that shimmer, that amazing shimmer is everything, and I love that. My oldest son tells me I need to stop using gold all the time, but that's because he doesn't care for gold. getting those air bubbles here. See something here. Got it. All right, so I'm going to smear with the white. And my smear colors is on this one is Amsterdam's titanium white, and then when I did the ones with the black, I used Amsterdam's oxide black. Okay. Okay, so let's just, this is already, look at those amazing cells. Oof, so pretty. All right, I'm gonna spin it. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. Wow. All right, let's just kind of play around a little bit here. Okay, let's bring it down here. Sorry about the glare from that light up above. Look at that shimmer. The cells are beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at them. Elijah calls, my grandson, he calls these turtle shells. And we all know, if you watch my videos, what my granddaughter would say, shimmer, shimmer. I think I say that on every video when I show the shimmer. If you watch any of my videos, you'll know that my grandkids are in San Diego or in California, and I'm in Nebraska, so I don't get to see them very often. So when we are together, we do a lot of painting. We make some videos. I do have some videos with them painting with me. We always have so much fun doing that. And yeah. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And you will, do all that fun stuff. Ding, ding. I appreciate you guys so much. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed and you will come back and watch some more videos and yeah, help my channel grow by hitting that notification bell and liking and sharing and commenting and all that good stuff. And yeah, I love you guys so much. My people who continually to follow me, I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. And I appreciate you guys' continual support for my channel. I'm growing, slowly growing. Slowly growing. Just, but I'm growing. That's the most important part. But anyway, I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and just healthy in general, stay away from safe from COVID. And I hope everybody has look at that was pretty cool right there. Kind of funky. I hope everybody has a fabulous day or a fabulous evening. And keep being creative, y'all. Bye. Okay, this was number 4. Number 3. That was number 1, actually. And number 2. I think they'll be all really cool together. I don't have enough room. They got all kinds of stuff going on over here. Otherwise, I think it'd be cool with them 2 on top of the other. Maybe do these kind of kitty corner from each other, and then do these kitty corner from each other. I know, I think they're cool though. But there's my 4 series of 3 to 4 colors, pretty much 4 colors. The titanium black or Artist Lofts Flow Black is on the base. And if I used black for a smear, I used Amsterdam's titanium black. For the white, I used Artist Lofts Flow Acrylic White for the base, or Amsterdam's titanium white, and Decoart's 24 karat gold, and Artminds metallic umber. But look at how pretty they are. Look at all those pretty cells, all that shimmer. But you guys have to tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this series, and if you got any suggestions for another one, let me know. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye-bye.